What are you looking at? Are you gonna pick me or not? What are you looking at?
Trip through It's a Small World pretending I was a UN interpreter. Oh, good Lord.
From this moment on, this will be the moment. Starting now. From this moment on, this will be the moment. Starting now. From
Don't
this
want to play cards with me because I'll cheat. Okay? I cheat. You want to play 21? I got 22. You want to play blackjack? I got 2 of those too.
For your request, go to hell! Go to hell, Matt Cardona! Go to hell! Hell! Wow! Oh my God!
That's referee, wait a minute! Do you know who that is? That's crap!
We have got John Cena on the line. John, how you doing today? We have got John Cena on the line. John, how you doing today? John.
Hello.
Hello, John. How you doing today?
I'm doing great. I can barely hear you.
And the t-shirts are too tight too, Billy! I'm one of the biggest legends and stars ever in this... God! What kind of disgusting, despicable lack of respect is that Billy What's-His-Name show booking a match for the total package like Luger and Super Brawl? Super Saturday? What is it? I don't even know what it's called. What is it called?
Super Brawl Saturday.
I'm gonna
Super Brawl Saturday?
About myself that I would probably prefer people didn't know, right? You know, I kind of like growing up, right? Even though I was a huge sports fan, dude, I was a Dungeons and Dragons junkie.
Yeah!
You played that?
Dude, I actually laughed.
From this moment on, this will be the moment. Starting now.
Has anyone from Kentucky ever been in that little hippie granola state you call? Huh? Have you even hunted lime game? Have you even tasted game meat? Has anyone from Kentucky ever been in that little hippie granola state you call? Huh? Have you even hunted lime game? Have you even tasted game meat?
I'm sorry if I'm a little fucking snippy.
That's fine.
I'm hurt and I'm old and I'm fucking tired. And I work with fucking children.
He succeeded. He was successful in just using his mouth to get the man off.
Dummy.
Yeah.
Dummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dummy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dummy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dummy. Dummy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dummy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dummy. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to take care of business the way it should be done. Perhaps I've been too nice. Perhaps I've been trying to be a real sports, a real gentleman. Now, Tully Blanchard, I want you.
What kind of...
It's not Uncle Sam talking to you. It's Ronnie Garvin. I want you. And I'm going to get you. I'm going to have you. I'm going to get to touch your body. I'm not just making promises. I'm telling something that is going to be done, something that's going to happen in the future. Because bones do heal. But I've got a memory like an elephant.
What kind of
And I can do it like an
disgusting-
elephant.
And I mean, folks, where's the lie?
It's over.
And I mean, folks, where's the lie?
No, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. No, 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 no. Hey, hey, hey. Goodbye. Yeah. What is a mustache? It's a little bit of hair growing over the upper lip. I don't have one. Nobody else here has one. But you know what? A mustache is for a real man. See, of all these people here, I have the best mustache of them all. I thought give me a couple more days, I'll have a nice, thick mustache.
Yo, it's me. It's me. Yo, it's me. It's me.
Shawn Michaels, you can hide behind that commissioner's stuff just so long until I jerk a knot in your ass.
And as my papa always said, y'all look about as nervous as some long-tailed cats in a room full of rocking chairs.
His gang of henchmen on me, his goon squad, King Kong Bundy, King Harley Race, Hercules Hernandez, Mr. Wonderful Paul Orndorff. Yeah, I've been humiliated before, but I'm so humiliated right now I'm afraid to turn my back. I don't want the people to see what happened to me. They whipped me like a dirty yard dog. Well, I'm going to tell you something, Weasel, and the goon squad. I can take pain, I can recover, I can recuperate. Well, I'm beyond that. I am so upset at the actions that are going on in the World Wrestling Federation, especially from your so-called family, that it's just a matter of time. Like I said before, and I said it to you, Mean Gene, I've said it to everybody, it's just a matter of time when Ken Patera gets in full gear and runs the World Wrestling Federation, or rids the World Wrestling Federation of the likes of you, Weasel, and King Kong Bundy, Race, Hercules,
ever stop to think that there's a reason why guys like you, and I'm talking about guys like you, are not in the main event? That's right, why you're not in the main event is because maybe you're a lazy, underachieving son of a bitch, lucky to be walking the halls of this building, lucky to be on the Raw roster, lucky to be here at all. You're really pissing me off right now.
All of you! All of you! All of you are part of the problem. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know nothing about me.
See, I'm walking this all trying to figure out why guys like you are taking my spot. Yeah, guys like you are taking my spot. I've been here forever. It's not cool, it's pathetic.
Understand this. When the violence play, violence
around trying to figure out what my name is, and you're leaving before the main event? Yeah, me. Sometimes I walk around trying to figure out who I am, and the whole world knows who I am. Except me sometimes. And you're leaving?
316. What you did by putting your hands on me was entered the zone. My zone. See, my zone is kind of like an end zone. Once you're in there, you score. So you just scored on me. So now it's my turn to score on you. So Monday night, look out, 'cause I'm coming to get you!
Understand this.
Back and to the left. Back and to the left.
Jada, I
Back.
love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. All right? That was a nice one. Okay. I'm out here. Richard.
He succeeded. He was successful in just using his mouth to get the man off.
Oh, wow. Wow. Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me.
Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth.
Wow, dude.
Yes.
It was a G.I. Jane joke.
Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth.
I'm going to, okay? Okay. That was a greatest night in the history of television. Okay. Okay.
Pick me, pick somebody else, do whatever you want, leave me alone. Quote the Raven, nevermore.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Pick me.
What are you looking at?
You're going down, down, down. You're going down,